here on a new heat. Customer stated he was getting some error codes. Let's see if we can pick this code up. Three flashes. And three flashes says that we have a pressure switch stuck open. Let's ohm it out, or check voltage across the contacts rather, and see what we get. We've got our meter set on volts. Come across and go from lead, and the code is right. We have an open pressure switch. I'm going to put my manometer up and see what we're actually getting. This says we should be at 0.29. It's upside down. Alright, I hooked my T up in line with the inducer so we can see exactly what it's getting. I did not turn the system off so I wouldn't interrupt anything. And we are reading 0.10. Definitely not enough vacuum to make that switch close. I'm going to come up and pop this off and make sure there's no rust or any debris getting in there. I am going to add it. So we got a straight shot. Let's see if we can get anything out of it. Well, I got my pressure switch off. I like to use my smallest Allen wrench. It fits in that hole just perfectly. I don't know if y'all can tell, I got some rust on there. It doesn't want to go all the way through. See if I can get me a piece of thermostat wire and get it to poke through. It's not wanting to go all the way through. You're going to hit that blower wheel. Let me trim this insulation back a little bit more. I've trimmed it way back. Let's see if we can get it in there now. Still don't want to poke through. Well, time for drastic measures. We're calling for drastic measures now. Looks like we got some stuff. Let's just make sure we got all the way through. I would think so. We got it in that far. All right, let's fire it up and see what we get. Hey, that's all we need. Y'all be safe.